Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Codeboard once again, with an amazing trick to download any live website or template for free of cost. While you design your website, very often you all probably search internet for some fresh looking ideas, right? Now while you get some good looking designs, mostly you found that template is paid template. You cannot even get to look into the HTML, CSS code for that template properly. So in today's video, I shall show you how you can download a live site or template completely free of cost in your local system. So before going forward anymore, let me request you please subscribe channel Codeboard. Your like, subscription motivates me for creating many such interesting videos for all of you. Let me confirm you first that this trick is for your learning purpose only. Using a paid template in commercial purpose without purchasing it is illegal and unethical also. First, you have to download a small tool in your system called wget. Go to this particular site, link I have mentioned in video description. Here you will see different versions for this tool. Download the latest version 1.20.3. For me it will be 64-bit. This is a very small tool and should get downloaded in a moment. Let me first copy this exe file in a separate location. Now let's go to the paid template page. Click on Live Preview. Let's go to All Demos. There are many templates with different color theme. Click on any of these. You can now see the full template preview, right? Copy the URL from here. Now go to the location where you kept the wget.exe file in your local system. Open a command prompt here. Just type wget.exe-r, then just paste the copied URL. That's it. Press enter. The download process should be started. It will take few seconds to few minutes based on the site size. Wait until it gets finished. I am first forwarding it. Once it will get completed, you can see the message is finished. Let's now go to the folder. You can see a new folder with the URL name is created. Go inside it, go inside .style, and then default. Find out the index.html file, open it in browser. Yeah, the site is now in our local system. You can check all different pages and study the code as necessary. Now let's do the same process for a live site instead of a template. So again, we have downloaded a site in our system, which is working great. For today, that's it guys. Let me request you all again, please subscribe channel Codeboard and write your feedback in comment section. Bye all for now.